Staying consistent with content can feel impossible when you're just starting out. Many new creators struggle to plan ahead and keep their posting on track. But planning content doesn't have to be overwhelming. I asked ChatGPT to create this calendar. You can pause here to copy it or swap in your own topic to fit your niche. In just seconds, you get a full 5-day posting plan that keeps your content consistent and saves you from staring at a blank screen every day. But the calendar alone won't grow your business. The AI Business Builder Challenge teaches you how to take AI generated content plans like this and turn them into a step by step system that builds your business efficiently in 5 beginner friendly episodes. You also get bonuses like the $136 million business plan to see exactly how top performing businesses structure their content, and the silent marketer strategy for getting massive reach without recording videos yourself. Turn a simple content calendar into a consistent posting system that grows your business. The AI Business Builder Challenge is available for just $17 today. Check the link in the description and start posting smarter this week.